guys, a little bit of Christmas here with me today. And let's hope they don't fall because this isn't really holding very well. Anyways, as always, Tuesday, my update on Bitcoin is upcoming first. And then we're going to have a look at some alts. I actually can't think of what the alts are in the list, but I'm sure there'll be a few that you'd be interested in. Also, guys, something that I wanted to remind you about is my live streams with Bleeding Crypto. They're absolutely full of information for any aspiring new trader or anybody that's investing in crypto and wants to learn market psychology, how it moves, when to enter your trades, when to exit them, and how to split your investments. Another thing that I also want to remind you about is 8cap. These guys are my broker. I partnered with them months and months ago. I still stick by them. I love how easy it is to use their system. Great liquidity, low spread. Give them a go. Link is in the description. Without further ado, we're going to start with Bitcoin and check the rest of the alts. Quick outlook here on weekly on Bitcoin. Not a lot has changed, but we have already been talking about well overdue Bitcoin rally, bear market rally. Is it happening? It's too soon to tell. It's more of a side action. We're still in a range than a rally. It's something we're going to just have to live through and see. If you're trading, just make sure, guys, you really mind your risk. See, there you go. My charts are acting up on their own. I pressed something about 10 minutes ago. Manage your risk properly. Mind your stop losses. Mind your profits. And honestly, always pay yourself. Back to Bitcoin though, guys. On a larger time scale, there is not much to review and go back to. I'm going just to remind you about this line. We have in around $11,000, $10,500. On my exactly 10,694 on my chart. Depending what chart you use, this could be a little bit different, a little bit off. In terms of a few dollars. I've used the strategy that myself and Bleeding Crypto have covered in our previous streams. You should go back and watch them. Absolutely loads of information there. I believe it was episode 6 last night. So if you go back to episode 4 and 5, certainly a lot of information for you in terms of looking for the bottom, what it looks like, and what to expect and when to start possibly buying. Again, not financial advice. What we're looking at here, guys, we are kind of stuck here. A couple of extra lines added in around $1,500 and $500. There's that mid-range here where I have it drawn at about $17,000, and we also have, sorry, because this is obviously wrong what I'm reading out to you. This line is 15,500. This is our 16,000 and our 17,000. So there's just that range between the round numbers and a mid-range. We've seen that obviously bounce. We're kind of going up, but if you also know me and you know my strategy, what way I work, I use Tino's Traders Reality Hybrid. His terminology sticks with me as well, and of drop levels. So we had drop level one here since the top, drop level, well, I suppose 2, but this could be counted at 2 here, another bounce here, another drop level here, and another drop level here. Now this obviously can shift, and any drop level can turn into a double bottom, and we can have a reversal. There was a bit of an attempt here. As you saw, we had the drop level where we're trying to defend that double bottom, but we failed. We didn't come back to retest higher. We weren't printing higher lows. we fell through. I'm going to go down just to show you on the hourly what's going on. Apologies again. Slow action and reaction on my end today, but we're going to get there. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Same with ads. I'm just looking at the list here, and I would like to cover Near, Atom. I would like to cover as well XDB, maybe CKB. That's 4, and I see what's also being requested here is ZCX, XPR. Yeah. Sorry guys, now once again, it is just honestly very annoying. Without any indicators for the minute, we could add another line here just to show you how it's just been wicking just around that level. On the hourly, I'm going to just add it real quick for you, how it's kind of been acting as that, you know, support level, that bounce level. I'm going to mark it for the minute a different color as well. I don't want to keep that line here for too long because it's just going to get messy. Now that is if my system lets me. I don't know what's going on, guys. Let's just forget the color for the minute. I'm happy I can actually zoom in on those charts for now. I got rid of the yellow box recently that was fully filled. We're kind of going up higher. There is another one painted for you up here, but it's above nearly $19,000. So we're not there yet. We'd have to flip this level. Those lines here are for a reason. By the way, actually watch out, I'm going to start doing little mini series as well, covering like those small little things that any trader would need to know. I'm hoping to record a very short and simple to the point video today about support and resistance and how to spot them. So we are looking at, you know, this range, it's kind of failed to go all the way up to it. Now just forget the color for now. A couple of lines there, trend lines there, just to give us a bit of an indication. However, putting on my indicators, this is where I was I entered my long, and I kind of TP'd, not at the very top. I had my leverage just a little bit below this, and then I didn't enter the short, but it's just how it's very interesting to see how you can ride the waves. Sorry again, it's my internet here acting up, but I'll show you what happened here when I put the indicators on and why you could have traded that if you are a scalper. You know, depending obviously on leverage, again, not financial advice. This will multiply if you're using leverage and give you great returns. There was a cross with the EMA. I'm hoping that the indicators turn on quickly. Oh, there we go. So literally where we had that congestion here, it was obviously, as with every trading, it's your possibilities, probabilities. If you enter the trade, you have your target, you have your invalidation point. And that's where the resistance came from. You see the EMA, it crossed it and then rejected and went back down. Now we see again back down to 50, and the 200 EMA is acting as resistance, sorry, as support here. If this plays out, it's a nice possible double bottom again on a lower time frame on this chart here, where you could be looking at dipping around here at just above 17,000, just to get back to the scandal. And then possibly, if we are talking about possible breakout, again, keep an eye on this EMA here around 17,300 mark, depending how it's going to curve, where it's going to kind of fall in around whatever level. You have high ADR here at around 17,364, and we'll be looking for the breakout above that EMA and giving us a little bit more higher lows, possibly in that, within that range, and tackling that. Like I said, we are overdue bear market rally. I'm hoping, and back to again my streams with Bleeding Crypto, really guys, strongly suggest you give them a go if you want to educate yourself. Amazing alpha is being shared there, loads of information, invaluable for any trader or any investor. So we are short term possibly bullish with the outcome, what's coming from the Bitcoin side. Possibly, again, we're not done with the bottom. Big picture, very bullish.